Welcome to our exploration of two critical concepts that hold the key to our planet's future: environmental justice and sustainable development. In this video, we will delve into their meanings, significance, and how they intersect to pave the way for a more equitable and balanced world. Environmental justice is the fair treatment and meaningful involvement of all people, regardless of race, color, national origin, or income, in the development, implementation, and enforcement of environmental laws, regulations, and policies. It's about ensuring that no community bears a disproportionate burden of environmental harm. At its core, environmental justice seeks to rectify the historical inequities where marginalized communities often face more pollution, fewer green spaces, and limited access to clean air and water. This injustice perpetuates a cycle of health disparities and limits opportunities for these communities to thrive. Enter sustainable development, a globally recognized concept that aims to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Sustainable development encompasses three pillars: economic growth, social inclusion, and environmental protection. It's not just about preserving nature, but about finding innovative ways to harmonize economic progress with social equity and environmental stewardship. Environmental justice and sustainable development go hand in hand. We can't talk about a sustainable future without addressing the inequalities that persist. It's about reimagining our cities, industries, and policies to ensure that no one is left behind and our planet thrives. Now, let's see how these two concepts intersect and reinforce each other. 1. Renewable energy and job opportunities. Investing in renewable energy sources like wind and solar power not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions but also creates job opportunities. By placing these projects in marginalized communities, we not only address environmental issues but also provide economic benefits and empowerment. Did you know? Communities with renewable energy installations have shown a decrease in unemployment rates by up to 1.7%. 2. Sustainable agriculture and food security. Sustainable agricultural practices prioritize soil health, biodiversity, and water conservation. When applied equitably, these practices ensure that everyone has access to nutritious food while protecting ecosystems and reducing the carbon footprint of agriculture. 3. Accessible transportation and clean air. Efficient and affordable public transportation, along with pedestrian-friendly infrastructure, reduces air pollution, decreases traffic congestion, and enhances mobility. This is particularly beneficial for urban areas with historically marginalized populations. Interesting stat: cities with well-connected public transportation systems have experienced up to a 30% reduction in air pollution levels. 4. Preserving natural areas and cultural heritage. Conservation of natural areas not only preserves biodiversity but also protects the cultural heritage of indigenous and local communities. Recognizing their rights and involving them in decision-making leads to more effective and sustainable preservation efforts. Did you know? Indigenous peoples manage or have tenure rights over about 25% of the world's land surface, which contains 80% of global biodiversity. 5. Green spaces and mental health. Access to green spaces improves mental health and well-being. When these spaces are distributed equitably, they contribute to reducing stress, anxiety, and depression while fostering a sense of community and connection. Remember, both environmental justice and sustainable development require collaboration, policy changes, and individual actions to create lasting impact. By addressing the disparities in environmental quality and ensuring that sustainable practices benefit all, we can pave the way for a brighter and more equitable future. As we stand at this crossroads, let's choose a path that respects nature, values every human being, and preserves our planet for generations to come. Together, we can achieve true environmental justice and sustainable development. Thank you for watching. Remember, the choices we make today shape the world we leave for tomorrow.